The world is changing, money is changing. In the past, we relied on physical coins and paper bills, but now the landscape of finance is evolving at an unprecedented pace. A new kind of currency is emerging, cryptocurrency. This digital form of money is not just a trend, it's a groundbreaking shift in how we perceive and handle financial transactions. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others are capturing global attention. Investors are intrigued. Governments are taking notice. These digital assets are not just for tech enthusiasts anymore, they are becoming mainstream, influencing markets and economies worldwide. Cryptocurrency is a digital revolution in how we think about and use money. It offers a new level of transparency and security, leveraging blockchain technology to ensure every transaction is recorded and immutable. This new form of currency exists only in the digital world. Unlike traditional money, you can't hold it in your hand, but you can store it in digital wallets, accessible from anywhere in the world. It is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. This decentralization is one of its most appealing features, as it reduces the risk of corruption and manipulation by central authorities. This is a stark contrast to traditional currencies controlled by governments and central banks. With cryptocurrencies, the power is distributed among the users, creating a more democratic financial system. The allure of financial freedom and potential for high returns have fueled the rapid rise of cryptocurrencies. People are drawn to the idea of breaking free from traditional financial systems, seeking autonomy and new opportunities for wealth generation. As the world continues to embrace this digital gold, the future of money is being rewritten before our eyes. To understand cryptocurrency, we must understand blockchain technology. The blockchain is a digital ledger. It records all transactions across a network of computers. This ledger is public and distributed. Anyone on the network can view it, ensuring transparency. Each block in the chain contains transaction information. Once a block is added to the chain, it is very difficult to alter. This makes blockchain secure and resistant to fraud. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin rely on blockchain technology to function. In 2009, Bitcoin emerged as the first cryptocurrency. Its creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, remains anonymous to this day. Bitcoin introduced the world to a decentralized digital currency. It operates independently of any government or financial institution. Transactions are recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain. This ensures transparency and security. Bitcoin's limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, has contributed to its value. As the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin paved the way for the development of thousands of other digital currencies. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, which is essential to the Bitcoin network. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, which are extremely difficult. The first miner to solve the problem adds the next block to the blockchain, securing the network. This process requires significant computing power and energy, making it quite resource-intensive. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created bitcoins and transaction fees from users. Bitcoin mining has become a global industry, with miners competing to validate transactions and earn substantial rewards. Beyond Bitcoin, exploring the world of altcoins. While Bitcoin was the first, it is not the only cryptocurrency. Thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies known as altcoins have emerged. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple are just a few examples. Each altcoin has its own unique features and characteristics. Some altcoins focus on privacy, while others aim to improve upon Bitcoin's technology. Ethereum, for example, enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. The world of altcoins is vast and constantly evolving. Cryptocurrency in action, real-world applications. In today's digital age, cryptocurrency is making waves not just as an investment, but as a practical tool for everyday life. Cryptocurrency is not just a speculative investment, it is increasingly being used for a variety of real-world applications that are transforming the way we handle money and transactions. It has real-world applications that are changing how we transact and interact. From buying a cup of coffee to paying for online services, digital currencies are becoming a part of our daily routines. One prominent use case is online payments. With just a few taps on a smartphone, users can make quick and secure payments without the need for traditional banking systems. Cryptocurrency allows for fast and secure cross-border transactions with lower fees than traditional methods. This is particularly beneficial for businesses and individuals who need to send money internationally. Cryptocurrency is also being used for remittances, sending money across borders to family and friends. This method is often faster and more cost-effective than traditional remittance services. The technology is being explored for supply chain management, ensuring transparency and efficiency in tracking goods from production to delivery, digital identity, and more. As adoption grows, the potential applications of cryptocurrency continue to expand. For instance, digital identity verification using blockchain technology can enhance security and privacy. We can expect to see even more innovative uses for cryptocurrency. From decentralized finance to smart contracts, the possibilities are endless. As more people and businesses embrace this technology, it will undoubtedly play a significant role in shaping the future of our financial systems and beyond. Section 7. The future of finance, potential and possibilities. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. Decentralization, transparency and security are key advantages. It could disrupt traditional banking, making financial services more accessible to the unbanked population globally. Smart contracts, powered by blockchain technology, could automate and streamline complex financial agreements. Cryptocurrency is also driving innovation in areas such as decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens. The future of finance is digital, and cryptocurrency will play a significant role in shaping it. Section 8. The two sides of the coin: benefits and challenges. Cryptocurrency offers numerous benefits, but it also faces challenges. Decentralization provides financial freedom and removes intermediaries. Transparency and security are ensured by the blockchain. Cryptocurrency's borderless nature facilitates global transactions. However, volatility and scalability remain concerns. Regulatory uncertainty and the potential for illicit activities are also challenges. It is important to approach cryptocurrency with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both its potential and its risks. Section 9. Navigating the crypto landscape. Tips for beginners. For those new to cryptocurrency, it can seem daunting. Start with research and education. Understand the basics of blockchain, Bitcoin and altcoins. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange to buy, sell and store your digital assets. Begin with small investments, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Keep your digital assets secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. As with any investment, caution and due diligence are essential in the world of cryptocurrency. Section 10. Conclusion: the evolution of money in a digital age. Over the past decade, we've witnessed a significant transformation in the way we think about and use money. Traditional forms of currency are being challenged by digital innovations, leading to a new era of financial transactions. Cryptocurrency represents a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with money. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on blockchain technology, offering a level of transparency and security previously unseen. It is a digital revolution with the potential to reshape the financial landscape. While challenges remain, such as regulatory hurdles and market volatility, the benefits of a decentralized financial system are becoming increasingly apparent. The innovation and possibilities associated with cryptocurrency are undeniable. From smart contracts to decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, the applications of blockchain technology are vast and varied, promising to revolutionize various sectors beyond just finance. As technology advances and adoption grows, more people and institutions are beginning to recognize the value of digital currencies. This growing acceptance is paving the way for broader integration into everyday financial systems. cryptocurrency will continue to evolve, driven by ongoing technological advancements and increasing user adoption. This evolution is not just about new types of digital money, but also about creating more efficient, inclusive and transparent financial systems. Shaping the future of finance and our relationship with money in the digital age, cryptocurrencies are set to play a pivotal role. They offer the potential to democratize finance, giving more people access to financial services and opportunities. It is an exciting time to be a part of this evolving ecosystem. As we move forward, the continued development and adoption of cryptocurrencies will likely bring about even more profound changes, making the financial landscape more dynamic and inclusive than ever before.